Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, May 19, 2022. Yesterday was a nasty day for the markets. We gapped down and took off to the downside. We had a trend day lower, ended up with about 134 points of range in the S&P and a sizable down day. I think we finished down just a little bit over 4% and closed at a 52-week low. And that's what we'll be looking at this morning, is what has happened following the 52-week low. So I'm going to grab all four of these instruments. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Currently, we're trading lower in the overnight session. That's going to be added to the test by going to the gap direction and clicking on gap down. The next thing I'm going to do is go to price patterns, and in the price patterns new lows category, there is a 52-week low close in there, but instead of grabbing it from there, I'm just going to grab it from the active today because I can see it right there. Active today shows you all the things that are true for today, so lots of different studies we could be running based upon all these different patterns that took place yesterday. And I'm going to go to the indicators library next. Since this is a 52-week low, I really don't need a 200 or a 10-day simple moving average. I'm going to do it out of habit. But if you're at a 52-week low, that's more than 200 days, so you are definitely below a 200. Now I'm going to click on view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are gapping down and the prior day was a 52-week low. Historically, we've got 24 samples in the S&P, 18 in the NASDAQ, 21 in the Dow, 32 in the Russell. Win rates on these coming in fairly neutral. Looks like S&P, about 46% of these have closed above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, it's 50%. For the Dow, 48%. For the Russell, 53%. If we look at the average moves, the average loss is larger than the average win here in the S&P. That's also the case for the NASDAQ. For the Dow, and then the Russell's just slightly larger on that average loss. So all four of these have larger average moves to the downside following that 52-week low close. However, the win rates are pretty neutral here. I don't see any of these that stand out to me. So bigger moves on the downside historically, but win rates are neutral. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.